Today we shall derive the mirror equation, an equation for magnification by a spherical mirror. To derive mirror equation, we have taken a concave mirror here. AB is an object in front of the concave mirror. To derive the mirror equation, we are going to consider three rays. First one is a ray that is parallel to the principal axis. A ray from the object AB that is parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, it passes through focus. Second one is a ray through the center of curvature. It is reflected back. Third one is a ray that falls on the pole. It undergoes symbol reflection. The point at which the three rays meet, we have image A dash B dash. Again, from the figure, we can see that triangles A dash B dash F and triangle MPF are similar. Both are right angle triangles. We are going to take this side MP as a straight line. So height of first triangle, that is MP by height of second triangle, that is MP by A dash B dash, is equal to base of first triangle, that is FP by base of second triangle, that is B dash F. Again, from figure we can see that MP is almost equal to AB. So we can replace MP by AB in the equation. Now the equation becomes AB by A dash B dash is equal to FP by B dash F. This is the first equation. Again, we can see that from the figure, triangles A dash B dash P and ABP are similar. A dash B dash P is this triangle and ABP is this big triangle. Height of the first triangle, that is AB by height of second triangle A dash B dash, is equal to base of the first triangle, that is BP by base of second triangle, that is B dash P. We can see that from the figure, the left hand sides are same. So we can equate the right hand sides of the equation. Now we have FP by B dash F is equal to BP by B dash P. Now we have to substitute for the values of these terms. FP is the distance of focus to the pole, that is focal length small f. BP is the distance of object from the pole, that is object distance U. B dash P is the distance of image from the pole, that is image distance V. Now we have to substitute for B dash F. B dash to P is V and F to P is F. So B dash F is equal to V minus F. So we have F by V minus F is equal to U by V. So we have F by V minus F is equal to U by V. On cross multiplying, we get F into V equal to U into V minus F. On opening the brackets, we have Fv equal to Uv minus Uf. So we can take the terms having F on the same side of the equation. So now we have Fv plus Uf is equal to Uv. Now taking F common, F into U plus V is equal to Uv. On opening the brackets, we have Fu plus Fv is equal to Uv. Now we can now divide these three terms with UVF. Now we get 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F, or 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. Now let us consider the same figure again. When we use sign conventions, we can see that here this is f, fp is small f. When we measure fp, we start from the pole and move opposite the direction of incident light. So f is negative. In the case of u is the distance from object to pole. We start measuring from the pole and we move opposite the direction of incident light. So u is negative. And b is the distance of b dash from p. Here also, while measuring from the pole, we travel opposite the direction of incident light. So u, v and f are negative. We can cancel minus sign all the equations. We get 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. This equation is called the mirror equation. We get the same equation if we consider a convex mirror. Magnification is the ratio of height of image to the height of object. Height of image is taken as hi and height of object is taken as ho. So m is equal to hi by ho. It's a ratio, so it does not have any unit. It shows how much an image is magnified compared to the object. From equation 2, we have AB by A dash P is equal to BP by B dash P. AB was the height of the object, that is HO. A dash B dash height of image HI. BP was U and B dash P B. So HI by HO is equal to V by U. On applying sign convention, we had U and V negative. Now height of object is upward, so it is taken as positive, and height of image is downward, so it is negative. So applying sign convention, we have minus hi by ho is equal to minus v by minus u. We can cancel minus from the numerator and denominator and take this minus on the right hand side. So hi by ho is equal to minus v by u. Instead of hi by ho, we can write m. So m is equal to minus v by u. So for a concave mirror or a spherical mirror, magnification m is equal to minus v by u. We have a problem here. An object is placed at 10 cm in front of a concave mirror of radius of curvature 15 cm. Find the position, nature and magnification of the image. By position we mean the value of v, nature, that is whether the image is real or virtual, and magnification also we have to find. First we have to draw a rough sketch of the given situation. Here we have a concave mirror. An object is placed at a distance of 10 cm from it. This is center of curvature. This is the center of curvature to the mirror. This radius of curvature, that is 15 cm. So object distance u is 10 cm. Now we have to apply the sign convention. To measure u, we start from the pole and travel towards left. This is opposite to the direction of incident light. So u is negative. Again r is 15 cm. When we apply sign convention, we start from the pole and move towards left. So opposite to the direction of incident light. So r is also negative, that is minus 15 cm. The focal length f is equal to r by 2, that is minus 15 by 2, equal to minus 7.5 cm. Now we have the mirror equation. 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. We can take this 1 by u along with 1 by f. We get 1 by v is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. Now substituting the values, we have 1 by v is equal to 1 by minus 7.5 minus 1 by minus 10 On solving, we get V is equal to minus 30. So the image is at a distance of 30 centimeter from the mirror. The negative sign indicates that the image is on the same side of the object. So image is formed at the same side of the object at a distance of 30 centimeter from the mirror. Now magnification M is equal to Hi by Ho, that is minus V by U. On substituting the values in this equation, we have minus 30 by minus 10, that is minus 3. So the image is magnified 3 times when compared to the object. The negative sign shows that the value of Hi is negative. It means that image is inverted. Inverted images are real images. So here the image formed is real.